love seeing all of your push-up challenge posts, and I'm so proud of everyone who is staying home and staying healthy and or finding ways to kind of entertain themselves during this social distancing craziness. And I wanted to kind of show you some of these exercise poses. So if you're a fitness instructor, trainer, or coach, or even if you just need some fitness motivation and kind of want to create your own exercise routine at home, then this listing could definitely be for you. So it comes with 41 different poses. It includes an AI file, which would work in a program like Adobe Illustrator or Affinity Designer. So if you want the editable, like if you wanted to change the colors or change anything about the artwork, then you would definitely need Adobe Illustrator or Affinity Designer, something that you can work in an AI file or works with an AI file. It does also include high-res PNG files that you could import into Photoshop or Affinity Photo, a program like that. Or you could just use the high-res PNG files for yourself in any program. The PNG files do have a transparent background, so you can pull them into really any other program. And then it also includes these cute little GIFs for all the poses. So every single pose includes a GIF, which is super fun, which you'll kind of see here how they work. And you can kind of align them in a sequence, create an article or a blog post or any kind of email blast or anything like that that will support GIFs. And just to remind you that the AI file is recommended for Illustrator, but the PNG files can also be used in Photoshop. I hope you love this listing, and if you want to kind of support a small business during this time, then it would be so awesome if you purchased this from me, or if you simply shared it on social media. That would be amazing. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you over on social media. Bye.